Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick review of the Bside K7 EMF meter that I've been using for a little while and gotten a pretty good handle on. One thing I want to say about this EMF meter is it does detect EMF radiation, but only two of the three kinds. So it detects electric field radiation and magnetic field radiation. It does not detect radio frequency radiation. You'll find that the meters that detect that, and so RF radiation examples would be Wi-Fi, cell towers, things like that. This does not detect that. Those EMF meters that detect RF radiation tend to be a bit more expensive. One example would be the Tri-Field TF2. There's other meters that are able to detect that, but this does detect magnetic and electric fields. So it'll still allow you to detect the EMF radiation coming from all kinds of electronics in your home. Lights, outlets, printers, refrigerators, almost any device in your home or office, it'll be able to detect one kind of either magnetic or electric field radiation. So I'll get up a little bit closer to the camera here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So it's on now. If you want to turn the backlight display on, you can hold this button down and then you can see it a bit easier there. Right now, so at the top here is where it's going to show your electric field readings in volts per meter, and down here it's going to show your magnetic field readings in milligauss. You can press this unit button to change from milligauss to microtesla. And the other thing that it detects is it'll tell you the temperature, the ambient temperature in the room. So if you press this button here, it'll show you the temperature. If you press that unit button again, it'll show you that temperature in Fahrenheit. So if we go back over to detecting our EMF radiation, I have a Jackery generator here, so we're going to use this as an example of our electric field radiation. So you'll see that number start to go up. It's set to automatically alarm, like you hear there, when that reading goes above 40 volts per meter. That's what they've deemed like a safe level. So you can hear that. If you want to silence that beeping, you can press this red button once here, and you'll silence that. If you want to hold the reading that's on there that you're seeing, you can press this hold button here, and it'll hold whatever that reading is. If you want to see what the max reading it's detecting is, instead of having this moving average, you can hold down this button. And now what it's going to do, you can see it says max there. Now it's just showing us the highest reading that it's detecting. You can hold that down again, and now it's back to an average. And then one other cool feature of this EMF meter is that it does have a flashlight. So this button here, if you hold it down, you can see that it turns a flashlight on there. So that's pretty handy. Overall, it seems to do a really good and accurate job of detecting electric fields and magnetic fields. It has some really cool features. It's worked really well for me. I like the alarm feature. It's really user-friendly. It's been pretty intuitive to use, and it does seem to be pretty accurate when I compare it to other similar EMF meters. So that's the Bside K7. Overall, a great EMF meter.